Paul Orphanides of Judicial Watch enjoys fighting government entities in court. This time he's fighting to make the Los Angeles Police Department to follow state law.
The hearing was about whether or not two entities represented by the ACLU could be allowed to intervene in our lawsuit challenging the City of Los Angeles is their new impound policy, the policy for impounding cars driven by unlicensed drivers. It's a new policy, came into effect I think in the spring of 2012, and what it tries to do is to diminish the impact of a California statute that gives officers the discretion to impound the vehicles that are driven by unlicensed drivers.
But this is not subject to the whim of local law enforcement, it's state law.
The law is very clear. If you drive without a license, your vehicle is subject to be impounded. That's a decision that the legislature has made is important. It thinks it's important to protect the people of California.
For some reason, the American Civil Liberties Union is most concerned about illegal aliens instead of American citizens.
There's a claim that unlawfully present aliens are not able to get driver's licenses, so they're affected by this statute more often than others.
The position of the ACLU is peculiar in that they are only concerned with the impounding of cars taken from illegal aliens.
That's right. They're trying to protect unlawfully present aliens who they say can't get driver's licenses. They need driver's licenses to drive to their jobs. If you're trying to encourage lawsuits, if you're trying to protect someone's right to petition their government, one thing you don't want to do is to chill that by having the possibility that they might have to pay attorney's fees. It's a fairly basic fundamental First Amendment right, this concept of chilling someone's First Amendment rights. And you don't want to do anything that would prevent them from invoking their rights or acting on their rights. But the ACLU apparently needs a primer in what the First Amendment means because they didn't seem to understand this.
Mr. Orphanides thinks his chances of defeating the ACLU and forcing the City of Los Angeles to obey state law are very good.
We've got very good, strong arguments. I think the California law is very clear that municipalities and local authorities are not supposed to enact their own regulations governing traffic issues, and I think that's exactly what the city has done. But what it is just a gradual erosion of the rule of law in general.
You can see this program in its entirety on our website by becoming a Full Disclosure Insider, or you can purchase a DVD. Full Disclosure will continue to bring you the news behind the news.